Hi guys, this is Diana Romero and this is my special project, my special homework. And I'm going to be talking to you a little about my career, that is biomedical engineering, and the jobs that I would like to get when I graduate from college. So let's start. First of all, what is biomedical engineering? And this is a career that unites multiple disciplines of the exact sciences, such as advanced math and different types of physics and programming, with health sciences that includes anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, for example. All this to be able to understand the functioning of the human body as a whole. And since biomedical engineer is a multidisciplinary career, it has a vast work area. And it is because it includes three main branches or three divisions. And the first of these divisions is biomechanics. That by definition is the application of mechanical principles to living organisms. And what does a biomedical do for work when they are specialized in this area? Well, the biomedical engineer in this area is responsible for the design and development of technologies that will help to increase the quality of life in both sick and healthy people. And through, for example, the development of prostheses and medical dispositives, mainly, and applying again all the engineering knowledge in the human body as a treatment or prevention. The next division is clinical engineering. That is the application of engineering knowledge in clinical environment. And a biomedical engineer in this field works in the design, operation, maintenance, and management of medical equipment. And basically being the one that oversees all the medical equipment management in a hospital, working with inventory, maintenance, buy and sell, and also in training the technicians and doctors to the operation of this medical equipment. And well, they work principally in a hospital, but they can also work in the industry in the development and design of the medical equipment themselves. And the last branch is bioengineering. That by definition is application of physics and math to solve biological and health problems. And well, the biomedical engineer in this area can incorporate in research and innovation groups or centers for the development of products, materials, and in several sectors that usually needs to be related to biology or health. And well, now I'm going to start sharing with you like my principal interest in the job field and that I have right now in this point of my career with all the knowledge of my career that I have until now. All this based on what I think that I would like to work on when I graduate from college. And well, although I really have interest in the three areas that I just talked about, I think I really have a special interest in clinical engineering. Like, I always like the idea of working in a hospital, and I think that the job that we do as a biomedical engineers there is very interesting and very challenging. So I have interest in working in surgery besides the maintenance um, of the medical equipment that I find interesting too. But I would prefer working in something that is closer to the medicine itself, like working giving support to surgeons in medical treatments, since there are certain surgery robots that can only be used by a biomedical engineer. So I found this to be a huge responsibility, yes, and a challenge that I may be interested to work on in the future. And in the other hand, I think that I also interested in working in the administrative area of the hospital. and like in all the management of medical equipment and stuff, and also in training technicians and doctors for the operation of the medical equipment. And the task that I think that I will be doing in case that I specialize in this area will be like providing active support in surgeries with medical equipment and performing diagnostic tests on equipment and tools for quality assurance and complete administrative duties such as creating budgets or submitting reports and training in medical equipment operation, as I mentioned. And the requirements that I think that I will need to have will be, of course, a biomedical engineering degree, knowledge in mechanics, specialization or past knowledge in clinical engineering and medical equipment, and knowledge in physiology and anatomy. And I also have a special interest in bioengineering, and I always found fascinating all the research in biology, even more if it is focused in the health. So I will be very interested, especially in working in biomaterials that can be used in several fields, such as rehabilitation or surgery in general. And the task that I think that I may be doing will be research and test new materials and their components to find solutions to medical and biological problems. And the requirements will be a biomedical engineering degree and vast knowledge in physiology, histology, biochemistry, and anatomy. And well, that will be everything. And thanks for watching.